Hello, welcome everyone. This is Emporos Research, and today, real quick, we're going to go over our trade breakdown. How we caught this 5, 6, 7% move, and we shared it on Twitter, so follow me on Twitter at Emporos Research. Now, let us get started. We are on the daily time frame. We're going to do a top-down approach, and we are going to help you understand how to catch these types of moves, what time frames to enter, how to manage your risk, all in about 3 to 4 minutes. So if you're just tuning into us for the first time, stay around and let's begin now. So this indicator here, signaling a buy. These will be available to you once I do a few more tweaks and finish upgrading them. For more information, go to emporosresearch.com and you will see some posts about them there. Now, let's focus on structure today. Nothing to do with indicators. I just wanted to show you them before we began. Now, we have 1, 2, 3. More of an art than a science if you want to count these two, right? So, we finally break down. We hit 28 and we popped up, right? Now, I like to wait for confirmation. When my edge is truly there, it's 5, 7% moves, or, it adds up. They're pretty good moves. Now, we tested 30K and we broke back up to 35, to the midpoint of the range, right? And we had a day of consolidation. So let's go on the lower time frames and top-down approach so we can see, right? Short-term resistance, drop down, and we have this 12-hour little crawl, right? And if we look at lower time frames, we start to see that crawl in more detail, right? So we're at the top of the midpoint of the range, testing it, consolidating under it. Now, contrary to what you might have heard, consolidation under resistance is a quote-unquote bullish situation. I don't like to use the word bull or bear. I like to say uptrending. So as you can clearly see, we have been uptrending from the bottom, and on the 4-hour is where we got our entry. Last night, I tweeted about it. A lot of so-called, talented Twitter traders were wrong, which is, comes as no surprise to most of you here. Now, see, this is a doji indecision and it's flat. So we have 4 hours, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, all of consolidation. And the spike over the midpoint here, 35.4, I tweeted about it ahead of time. And this is where you set your entry. You would put your stop loss under the 4-hour candle here, and you would enter at 35.8, or 34.8, not 35.8. That would be a target, 35.8. Now, 34.8 would be your target for entry, and you would set it up your stop loss just like this. It's even not going to the top of our range that we had for the full squeeze stop hunt that we were going for. 5 to 1 on your money, and you could risk. This is a scalable trade. You could risk, 10 grand and make 50 grand if you wanted to, really. Just to keep it in perspective. So when you get more bankroll, your scaling strategies and your liquidity will differ. But this is on the Bitcoin perps, BitMEX, FTX. You can check the description below. I'll probably post it there. Anyway, 5 to 1 on your money. Very clean, clear setup. That covers our structure. We're about 4 minutes in. And I don't want to go, and I hate when I ramble on in these videos, so we're just going to cover this concept for now, the breakdown of the trade, and we're going to go to the white move, the white chart, so we can see the range that I've been drawing. Let me pull that up for you right now, and I'll maybe edit the video, but let's just open white real quick. So here's our grid. We're really going up. We're probably going to run up to, we could go up to 37.3, guys. That's my forecast. I do think we test the top of the band. We will see and monitor it as it comes along. Now I think it's XBT. Is this where I drew it? This might be the one I drew where I thought we were going down. We could just as easily went down, but so see, we drew this a while ago. This is the chart on Twitter. A break over 34.867 leads to higher. And the ATR test would be higher. Yeah, no breakdown held. So this is where I see things as they stand. Our range is held. We continue going upward. 45 is the test. The midpoint is about 38 to 37.3. Any weakness in volume, I will post and let you know the update. And if you're still wondering, we have our swing at 33K from over here. So we hold and we trade the range, of course, but these are more swings. So there's many different styles of trading. You need to help figure out your own style. This will help things, help you much easier in your trading life. And I think I covered all the concepts. We're about 6 minutes in. Hopefully it was able to be understood easily. I will make more videos like this, so hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and click a like, subscribe, check out our blog, check out our live chat room. You can join, it's free. A lot of traders there, we can help you out. Also demo some of the indicators if you would like. Anyway guys, this is Emporos signing off. Have a great rest of your week. Take care.